Hi, my dear children. Good morning to all. Welcome to Maths online class. All of you understood what is HCF? Practice questions on HCF? Okay, very good. Today we can discuss what is LCM. What is LCM? Yes, lowest common multiple. How can we find LCM of two numbers by prime factorization? We can discuss on this topic in today's class. LCM of 24 and 90. How can we find the LCM? By prime factorization. The method of prime factorizing is all same for LCM and HCF. Up to finding the prime factorization and writing the factors, the method is same. After that only there is a change. So first we can prime factorize the given two numbers. So prime factorizing 24. How can we prime factorize 24? Starting with 2. 2 in 24, 12 times. Again 2 in 12, 6 times. 2 in 6, 3 times. 3 is a prime number, 1. Next 90. 90 is an even number. So starting with 2. 2, 90, 45. 45. If since the number is ending with 5, we can go for 5. So 5 in 45, how many times? 9. Then 3. 3 in 9, 3 times. 3 is a prime number. Again 3. So we prime factorize both the numbers. What are they? 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 90 equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. Now, till here, the steps in LCM and HCF are same. Now, after this, the finding the LCM is different. In LCM, we need to find the lowest common multiple. That doesn't mean that you have to find the least number. How we are finding the LCM means, you are taking all multiples here. All the factors you are taking. So first we are going for here which all numbers are here? We have 2, 5 and 3. Isn't it? We need to take what is the highest number of times 2 coming, that we need to take here. For example, here 2 how many times coming? 2 we are having 3 times. Here how many times? Only 1 time. So which is greater? Coming 1 time or 3 times is greater? 3 times. So that we need to take. Similarly, here we have 3 2 times and here we have only 1 time. So which we will take? 3 into 3. Now here we have 5 but we don't have here 5. But we need to take 5 in LCM. So what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 2. So what we are taking the greater number. Isn't it? Here 2 coming how many times? 3. Here coming only 1. So we are taking the greater. 2 3 times we took here. Here 3 2 times. Here 1 time. So that 2 times we took here. Then here 5 1 time. Here no 5. But we need to write 5 in the LCM. So what is the final answer we are getting? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 equal to 360. So what is the LCM here? 360. LCM of 24 and 90 is 360. That means least common multiple. The multiple of 24 and 90. Common multiple of 24 and 90 is what? 360. Next question. Find the LCM of 20, 25, 30. Here, in the last question, we prime factorized the numbers differently, separately. For finding LCM, we can prime factorize the three numbers together. That will be more convenient for you people to find LCM. I will show you how you can do that. Here we are prime factoring the three numbers together. That means 20, 25, 30. I am taking a number which is divisible for three numbers. See, in LCM, there is no such rule that you need to take a number which is divisible by all the numbers. Here, if you are starting with 2 also, no problem. Here I am starting with 5. 5 dividing each number, what we are getting? 5 dividing 20, we are getting 4. Again 25 dividing, we are getting 5. Again dividing 30, what we get? 6. So we got 4, 5, 6. Now these three numbers are not divisible by 5. Only 5 is divisible by what? 5. So make that 5 1. So first I divided with 5. 5 we cannot divide with 4. So I wrote the 4 same itself. No change for 4. Why? We cannot divide with 4. Next 5 can be divided with 5. 5 divided by 5 1. You are getting 1. Next number is 6. 6 also you cannot divide 5. When you are dividing 6 with 5, you will get remainder. So say, make that 6 same itself. Now in the next case, what numbers you are having? 4 and 6. Both are even numbers. So you can go for what? An even number what? 2. So when I am dividing with 2, 2 divided by 4, what you are getting? 4 divided by 2, 2. 1 you can write same. 1 no need of changing again. 6 divided by 2, 3. Now, next what you have 2 and 3. This 2 we can divide with 2. But 3 and 1 we cannot divide. So, 2 when dividing with 2 you are getting 1. 1 you write the same. 3 also you write the same. In order to make this 3 1, divide that 3 with what? 1. So, sorry 3. So, 3 divide 1 you write the same. This 3 divided by 3 what you are getting? 1. That means in the last step make all the ones 1. Otherwise, if you are not making the last one, this is a prime number, you can actually stop your prime factorization. But when you are writing the LCM, you will miss out this number to write. So that is why we are asking you to prime factorize here itself, making all the reminders 1. Now, in order to find the LCM, you need to write only what? These numbers. These numbers are the LCM. What is that? 5 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3. In the other case, when you are finding prime factorization separately, you need to go for checking the each digits and each numbers you have to check and write the LCM. But if you are doing together, what you are getting here only you have to write as the LCM. So what is the LCM here? 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 300. For finding HCF also you can do in this together division method, but there is a condition. What is that condition? When you are using this method for HCF, you have to use a number which is divisible by 3 numbers. That means here if you are for finding HCF, you should find a number that should divide 3 numbers. Then only you can find. I will show you here. If you are finding the HCF by this method, we are taking the 3 numbers at once. We need to take a number which is divisible by the 3 numbers. So, this 3 numbers which is a divisible number 5. If I am taking 2, 20 is divisible by 2. But whether 25 is divisible by 2? 25 is not an even number, so we cannot take 25. 30 is divisible by 2, but here 25 is not divisible. So we cannot take what? 2. Next, when we are taking the case of 3, 20 is not divisible by 3, 25 is also not divisible by 3, only 30 is divisible by 3. So when we are going for HCF, 3 numbers should be divisible by 1 number. So that is only case of 5. 3 numbers are divisible by 5. So I divided, I got here 4, 5 and 6. Is there any number which is divisible by these 3 numbers? 4 and 6 are composite number, but 5 is a prime number. So we will not get a number here which is divisible by these 3 numbers. So we can say the HCF of 20, 25 and 30 is what? 5. Further, you cannot proceed in this step. This is the HCF of these 3 numbers. So when you are doing HCF in this method, this condition should be applied. So it is better you find HCF by separate prime factorization method, and you can follow this method for LCM only. Example 40, 48, 45. So doing in this division method, 40, 48, 45. I said in the case of LCM there is no compulsory that we should take a number which is divisible by 3 numbers. Here 40 and 48 are even number, but 45 is not an even number. Then also I am starting with 2. So which all numbers are divisible by 2? Only that numbers you can divide with 2. Which all are they? 40 divided by 2, what you get? 20. 48 divided by 2, you are getting 24. 45 you cannot divide, so write it in the same way. Don't divide it. You have to write same 45 itself. Don't make any change. Why? Because 45 is not divisible by 2. In the next step, here 20 and 24 again an even number. I am starting with 2. So 20 how many times? 10, 24, 12. Again I wrote the 45 same. Again 10 and 12 is divisible by 2. So again 2 I wrote. In 2 how many times? 5, 12, 6, 45 again. Now here 5 and 45 are there. So I can go for 5. So 5 in 5 how many times? 1. 6 I am writing the same. Don't make any change for 6. 45 how many times? 9. Next you are having 1, 6 and 9. Which is a number both divisible in 6 and 9? 3. So going for 3. 1 you are writing the same. 6 how many times? 2. 9. 3 times. Next 1 you are writing the same. 2 you cannot divide with 3. So you are writing 2 same itself. 3 when divided by 3. 1. Now which one we need to make 1? Only this 2. So with what we have to divide? 2. So I made all the numbers as what? 1. Now what will be the LCM? I told LCM will be the numbers here, coming here. Just multiply these numbers. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 5, 40. 40 into 3, 120. 120 into 3, 360. 360 into 2, 720. So what is the LCM of 40, 48 and 45? 720. If you which is the method convenient to you, you can follow that. If you want to prime factorize separately, you can do in that method also. Next question, find the LCM of 12 and 48. When you're prime factorizing separately, what will do? Prime factorize separately the numbers. First prime factorizing 12. What you are getting? 2 in 12 6 times. Again 2, 3, 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. Again 48. Again starting with 2, 24, 2, 12. Again 2, 6, 3, 3, 3. So what is the prime factorization? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now how will you find the LCM? First compare both the number factors for each number. Here 2 how many times? 2 times. And here how many times? 4 times. So which one we will take? Coming more. Which is the more? Here. So take 4 times 2. Then here 1 3, here 1 3. So take 3 1 time. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Means this 2 we took. Then 3, both cases only coming 1 time. So into 3. So what is the LCM? 48. Which method is more convenient to you? You can use it. Either separately prime factorize or you can prime fact as 1. So we discussed what is LCM and how to find LCM by prime factorization. I hope you people don't have any confusion regarding HCF and LCM. HCF is the highest common factor, whereas LCM is the lowest common multiple. Don't get confused between the two concepts. Practice more questions on HCF and LCM. Copy down the notes given, attend the test paper. We'll meet with then another concept in the next video. Thank you.